Hello, everyone. Imagine this. You are in America. You feel sick. You go to the doctor. The doctor asks you questions, but you don't understand. You feel scared. You don't know what to say. This happens to millions of people every day. Today, I will teach you exactly what to say at the doctor in English. Every sentence, every question, every answer. After this video, you will feel confident. You will know what to do. Are you ready? Let's go. Today, we follow Maria. Maria is 28 years old. She moved to the United States 6 months ago. She speaks a little English. This morning, she woke up with a terrible headache and a fever. She called the doctor's office. Let's listen.
Good morning, Riverside Medical Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello. I need to see a doctor today. I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is your name, please?
My name is Maria Gonzalez.
Can you spell your last name?
Gonzalez.
Thank you, Maria. What is your date of birth?
July 15th, 1996.
And what are your symptoms today?
I have a headache and a fever.
How long have you had these symptoms?
Since yesterday morning.
Okay. We have an appointment at 11:30 this morning. Can you come in?
Yes, 11:30 is perfect. Thank you.
Great. Please bring your insurance card and ID. We will see you at 11:30. Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Maria arrived at the clinic. She walked to the front desk.
Good morning. Do you have an appointment?
Yes. My name is Maria Gonzalez. I have an appointment at 11:30.
Perfect. Can I see your insurance card and ID, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you.
Please fill out this form.
Okay. Do you have a pen?
Yes. Here is a pen. Please sit down in the waiting room. The nurse will call your name soon. Thank you very much.
A few moments later.
Maria Gonzalez?
Yes, that's me.
Hi, Maria. I'm Nurse Jennifer. Please follow me. Please sit on the table. Let me check your vital signs first.
What are vital signs?
Your temperature, blood pressure, and heart rate. First, open your mouth, please. I will check your temperature.
Okay.
Your temperature is 101.2 degrees Fahrenheit. You have a fever. Now let me check your blood pressure. Please relax your arm.
Is my blood pressure okay?
Yes, it's normal. 120/80. The doctor will be with you in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Good morning, Maria. I'm Dr. Peterson. How are you feeling today?
Not very well, doctor. I feel terrible.
I'm sorry to hear that. Tell me, what's the problem?
I have a bad headache here in the front of my head, and I have a fever since yesterday.
I see. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, my throat hurts when I swallow, and I feel very tired.
Any coughing?
A little. A dry cough.
Do you have a runny nose or a stuffy nose?
Yes, my nose is stuffy.
I see. Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I don't think so.
Are you taking any medications right now?
No, only vitamins.
Okay. Do you have any medical conditions? For example, diabetes or high blood pressure?
No, I am usually very healthy.
Doctor examines Maria. Open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah.
Your throat is red. Let me check your lymph nodes. Does this hurt?
Yes, a little.
And let me listen to your breathing. Take a deep breath, please. And another one. Good. Your lungs sound clear.
What is wrong with me, doctor?
Maria, I think you have a throat infection. It could be bacterial or viral. I want to do a quick test to check.
What kind of test?
A throat swab. I will put a small stick in your throat for 2 seconds. It's not painful.
Okay, I understand.
The test shows you have a bacterial infection. I'm going to prescribe antibiotics for you.
What is antibiotic?
It's a medicine that kills the bacteria. You need to take 1 pill 2 times a day, in the morning and in the evening, with food, not on an empty stomach.
For how many days?
For 7 days. Very important. You must finish all the pills, even if you feel better.
I understand. Will I feel better soon?
Yes, you should feel much better in 2 to 3 days. But if your fever goes above 103 degrees, or if you have trouble breathing, please come back immediately, or go to the emergency room.
Can I go to work tomorrow?
I recommend you rest for 2 days. You are contagious right now.
Contagious? What does that mean?
It means other people can get sick from you. So please stay home and rest.
I understand. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Do you have any other questions?
Yes. How much is the visit today?
The receptionist will give you the bill at the front desk. Your insurance should cover most of it. Take care of yourself, Maria. Feel better soon.
Thank you so much, Dr. Peterson. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Maria went to the pharmacy near the clinic.
Hi, how can I help you?
I have a prescription from Dr. Peterson.
Sure, let me take a look. Give me about 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
A few moments later.
Maria, here is your medicine. Amoxicillin, 500 milligrams. Take 1 capsule twice a day with food for 7 days.
Twice a day means morning and night?
Yes, exactly. Morning and evening with food.
And what if I forget a dose?
Take it as soon as you remember. But if it's almost time for the next one, just skip it. Never take 2 doses at the same time.
Okay. Are there any side effects?
Some people feel a little nauseous. If you get a rash or have trouble breathing, stop taking it and call your doctor immediately.
Thank you. You explained everything very clearly.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Great job! Maria got the help she needed. Now, let me teach you the most important words and phrases. Okay, body parts and symptoms. How to describe pain. I have a headache. My throat hurts. I feel nauseous. I have a fever. I feel dizzy. I have chest pain. My stomach hurts. I can't breathe well. Important questions the doctor will ask. 1. What seems to be the problem? I have... 2. How long have you had this? Since... yesterday? Last week? 3 days ago? 3. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain? I would say about 4. Are you allergic to any medicine? No, I'm not allergic. Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin. 5. Are you taking any medication? No. Yes, I take medicine name. At the pharmacy. I have a prescription. How do I take this medicine? Are there any side effects?
Can I take this with food? How many times a day? Emergency phrases. These are the most important phrases. Use them if you need help fast. I need a doctor now. It's urgent. Call an ambulance, please. I can't breathe. I'm having chest pain. I'm allergic to this medicine. Write these down. You might need them one day.
So, how was that? Maria came in scared. She didn't know what to say, but she spoke clearly, she listened carefully, and she got the help she needed. You can do this too. Practice these sentences today. Say them out loud. Repeat them. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. Now I have a question for you in the comments. Have you ever been to a doctor in English? Was it easy or difficult? Tell me your story below. I read every comment. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more people find this lesson. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because next week I will teach you at the hospital emergency room in English. That video could save your life one day. See you next time. Take care of your health. Goodbye.